loads of good stuff going on here over the Easter weekend at Excel Church. Starting on Good Friday evening, we're going to have a communion service, and on Easter Sunday we've got fun for all the family, including an egg hunt after the service and an Easter buffet. If you'd like to come along to that, you need to book your tickets for the buffet as soon as you can. Then on Easter Saturday, the day before Sunday that is, we are going for a walk, and you are welcome to join us. We're going to be going to Bumble Hole in Rowley Regis. Now you can either meet us there at 11 a.m. or you can meet us at Excel Church at 10:30 and we'll follow down together. If you want to make your own way there, we're going to get details at the welcome desk and we're going to post them online for the address so you can find your way there. If you need transport on the minibus, you can book that online as well. And once we've done our walk around Bumble Hole, there's a coffee shop to have a treat as well. So we hope you can join us over the Easter weekend here at Excel.
The power of death has been broken. Here we go. And this changes everything.
Our next baptismal service will be on Easter Sunday, that's the 21st of April. So if you would like to be baptised, then please speak to one of the leadership team.
The God of salvation changed everything today.
Easter holidays are coming up, which means it's time for the 3rd annual 180 camping adventure. So if you are 180 age between high school, then you can come along to the camping adventure for one night and you can pick up a letter from the welcome desk or you can book in online. It'll cost just £15 per person and you can get all the details from that letter or online. Companions is our luncheon which runs on a Thursday for senior citizens, and every so often we're going to be doing something new. Excel Companions Plus. So you're going to have a soup and a sarnie, followed by a short service and a sing-along, and then rounding off with coffee and cakes. The first one of those is going to be in April, so watch this space for more details of Excel Companions Plus coming soon.
Because you live, our song will never end.
This October, we're planning to take a team on a short-term mission trip to Stockholm in Sweden. If you'd like more information about joining the team, then grab a pack from the welcome desk, but make sure you do it quickly because next Sunday is your final chance to apply. Just before we go, a reminder to you that next Saturday we have our Next Level Bible studies from 10 a.m. until 12 p.m. You can get a deeper understanding of the Bible, so you can welcome to come along to that. Everybody is welcome. That's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a fantastic week and we'll see you back next Sunday for more.